There goes the awnings on the pontoon, tearing into our covers in the front of the boat. Oh my God, it must be 80 miles an hour out here. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. You may have seen the video on the storm that we went through on Lake Lanier. If not, I've linked the video above. And I also have a video of the aftermath. That video is also linked above and in the description below. I always wondered how they put the docks back together again when they're so twisted, folded up, and underwater. Aqualand really stepped up to the plate and started getting the marina back in shape immediately. I saw truckloads of black dock floats and concrete anchors come in. They had tree services out here to remove trees, and they had multiple barges with their staff doing very dangerous work. Kudos to Aqualand management and staff. You guys really rock. There are other vessels tied to the dock to pull us away from shore at the same time as they're pulling it up. Pretty amazing what they can do. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.